Hello students, Happy New Year to all of you. Students, today I am starting chapter 3 square and square roots. Student, this is a table of some number of their squares. So it will be better if you will learn some square, just like 21 square, 441, 224, 84. So if you can learn up to 20 or 25, it will be good for you. Now first of all, what is the meaning of perfect square? Suppose we are having a number 256. We will do the factors. If all the factors are in pairs, make the pair. See, this is a factor. Make the pair. Make two factors. Make the pair. Take 2, make the pair, and make the pair. See, all are in pairs. No 2 is left without pair. So this is the meaning of perfect square. A natural number is said to be perfect square if its factor are expressed as pair of equal natural numbers. So 4, 19, 16, 25, they all are perfect squares. Here are some properties of perfect square. Square of even number are always even. Suppose we are doing the square of 16. See, always take the ones digit. 6 6 is 36. So at ones digit we get here 6. So it is even. It is a 64. 4 is even. Square of odd number are always odd. 7 square 49. 9 is odd number. A number having odd number of zeros in the end is never a perfect square. Students, if the number of zeros in the end are odds, 1, 3, 5, it will not be a perfect square, because if they are 2, then only we will make a pair. But it is not necessarily condition that if they are having even, suppose 600, so 2 zeros, but 600 is not a perfect square. So if they are even, then it may be or not may be perfect square. But if they are odd number of zeros, then it will never a perfect square. See, a number having 2, 3, 7 or and at its one place is never a perfect square. See, 3, 2, because whenever we will do perfect square, if it is 1, 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9, 4 4 ja 16, 5 5 ja 25, 7 7 ja 49, 8 8 ja 64, 9 9 ja 81, 10 10 ja 100. See, if they are having at end 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, then they are perfect square. So 2, 3, 7 or 8 at one place is never a perfect square. If a number has 1 or 9, then its square has 1 and 9, because 9 9 ja 81 1, 11 11 ja 121 1. A number has 2 or 8 at one's place has 4. See, 2 2 ja 4, 8 8 ja 64, 7 7 ja 49, 3 3 ja 9, 4 4 ja 16, 6 6 ja 36, having 6. So in this way you can check. A number 5 at one place having always 5, 5 is 25, 15 15 is 2 to 5. A perfect square leaves a remainder 0 or 1 when divided by 3 or 4. Whenever, suppose 25, whenever you will divide by 3 or by 4, either it will leave 0 or 1. See, 3 8 is 24 plus 1. It means it is a perfect square. 4 6 is 24 plus 1, 25. It is a perfect square. In this way, you can check. Pythagorean triplet. The formula for Pythagorean triplet is a square plus b square is equals to c square. You have read in your class 7th also. If a square plus b square is equal to c square, then it is a Pythagorean triplet. A, B, C are the side and C is the hypotenuse. C. This side will be always C. Greater side will always hypotenuse. It is A, it is B. See, the exercise which of the following is a perfect square. So you will do the factors. If it is in pair, then it is a perfect square. See, do the factors, make the pair. See, all the factors are in pair, so it means, so it is a perfect square. So it means our first option is right. So no need of checking next. Which of the following cannot be ones digit of a square number? See, if the ones digit adds 2, it will never be a square number. Which of the following cannot be the square of number with 5 at one's place? See, 5 5s are 25. It is right. It is right. 0. Whenever we are having the square of 5, we cannot have 0. Which of the following Pythagorean triplet? Just check it. First of all, check for first part. 2 square plus 3 square. 4 plus 9, 13. It is 25, so it cannot be. For second part, a square plus b square, 5 square plus 7, 25 plus 49, 74, 9 square, 81. It is not Pythagorean triplet. So in this way, you will check third also. It is not. Fourth, 3 square, 4 square, 9 plus 16, 25, 5, 25. So 25 is 25. It is Pythagorean triplet. So option 4 is correct. Now next, 16 upon 6 is equal to 6. So value of x. See, 16 upon x, cross multiply, 16 is x square, x is equals to, students, x is equals to square root of 16, 4 4 is 4, x is equals to 4. The ones digit in the square of 64 is, see, ones digit 4 4 is 16. So ones digit 4 4 is 16. So ones digit will be 6. Fill up, square of any number is always positive. Square of an even number is even. So just complete it yourself. See, just by observing the ones place, encircle the number which cannot be square. Student, if it is ending at by 2, 3, 8, 7, they will not be perfect square. They cannot be a square. Cannot be square number. So this is this, having 8, having 7, having 3, having 8, having 3, having 3. They cannot be square number. Say this pattern. 1 square 1, double 1 square 1, 2 1, 1 0. So 1 0. Here is 0, here is 0. 2 0. So 2 0 is there, 2 0 is there. 1 2 3 0. So you will write 3 zeros. Now 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. So write here 5 zeros. Middle 2 5 zeros. So complete this. Here 2 1s are 2 square, 3 2s are 6 squares, 2 plus 1 3 square, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 13, 5 6 are 30, 30 square, 30 plus 1 31 square. Here 7 56, 56 divided by 7 8, 7 8s are 56. 4 square plus 5 square, 4 plus 4 into 5 20, 20 plus 1 it is 21 square. Same here, check the pattern. C 2 2 3 3 1 2 3 2 1. So now 1 2 1 3 is middle. Now 4 take middle 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. Then 1 2 3 plus 4 3 2 1. In this way you will. Here are 4 4 2 2 3 3 4 4. Now take 5 5 and complete it. List all square number between 1 and 100. It is 4 2 2 is 4, 3 3 is 9, 4 4 is 16, 5 5 is 25, 6 6 is 36, 7 7 is 49, 8 8 is 64, 9 9 is 81. Write ones place of the square of the following number. See, do the square of 2. See, 2 square is 4. So ones place will be 4. 1 square is 1. 7 square 49. So ones place will be 9. 3 square 9. Which of the following are perfect square of even number? How they are? If at one's place they are having even number. So 6, right? Yes, no. 1, no. 5, no. Again 6, 6 is even number? Yes, no. 8 question, express the following square as a sum of first and odd natural numbers. Question 8. C8C part 144. 144 means 12 square. So n odd natural numbers means we will take 12 odd numbers. 144, 100%. It is a sum of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23. Student, whenever you will add it, you will get 144 because it is the square of 12 square. So you will write starting 12 odd natural numbers. Same here 65. 65 means 25 square. It is a square of 25. So you will write starting 25 odd natural numbers. Definitely their sum will be 625. Suppose it is you can take any number. It is 2 to 4, 9. 9 means 3 square. So it will be 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3 plus 5. 3 square means 3 natural numbers. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. Question 9. Find the value. You have to do square. Minus 7 square 49. Minus 3 square 9. 4 4 16. So do it. Question number 10. Without actual addition, find the sum of. See student. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be 6 square. That is 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It will be 8 square. That is 64. How many the numbers of odd number? Do the square and then write it. So students, in question number 9, do A part, A, D, I in homework, or you can do in book. Up to question number 10 you can do in book. So student, up to 10 I have done. From question number 11 I will tell you next video. Okay student, God bless you all. Bye bye.